Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So we are going to do an eye look today. I've already done my face makeup. I will link everything that I used in the description box below. So now I'm using the NYX HD eyelid primer. I love this stuff, so I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit all over my eyelids. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my little Naked palette by Urban Decay. I'm going to use WOS. I'm just using this to set my eyelids. That primer is a little sticky, and yeah, it's not good for blending. So I'm just using this color to basically set that primer. Okay, so you guys know me, I don't use a shit ton of colors because it's not necessary. So I'm going to go in with the same palette in the color Faint. It's the darker brown. And I'm just going to start with the outer corner and just slowly blend that over towards my nose. I do have a tutorial on exactly how I do this. If you guys want to check it out, I will link it in the eye for you. And I'm just going to make sure that it's nice and blended. Okay, so this is what she is looking like. Okay, so don't come for me because I use these cheap ass sponges, but they work great for things like this when you want to pack stuff on the eyelid. So I'm going back in with the original color WOS, and as you can see, I'm just sort of blending that over a little over halfway across my eyelid and overlapping that on the brown. Okay, same brush that I used Faint with, I'm just blending that out. I didn't put any extra color on there. I'm just using whatever was left over on the brush from earlier. You will see that I do this twice. I just didn't like that WOS wasn't up high enough. It sort of looked more like a cut crease, and I didn't want it to look like that. So you see here, I'm just adding the white up a little higher, and I'll go back through and blend it out again. Alright, here with a clean fluffy brush, I'm just blending everything out that I just did and making sure that it's nice and smooth. Okay, so now I'm going to do a wing liner. I'm going in with this Shimmer eyeliner in green. You can do this in black or you can skip this portion. I was just being hella extra because this is a green look, so why not? Anyway, if you guys want to see how I do wing liners, I do have a tutorial for that, so I will link that for you guys. So yeah, you can see I'm just doing a winged eyeliner, and it's going to be a thick one because I want this to show up. Okay, so I already have my foundation on, but I'm going to go ahead and do my under eyes with this Wet n Wild concealer, and I'm going to set it with the Laura Mercier powder. I just want that all in place because I'm getting ready to place some eyeshadow on my lower lash line, and I just want it to be ready for that. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this LA Color eyeliner pencil in this bright green. I'm going to drag that sort of lower on my lash line, and then I'm also going to do my waterline, which y'all know that I just hate doing that. Look, you can already see my eyes watering, but I felt like it just needed a little color on my waterline. And now in this NYX Ultimate palette, I'm going to use this teal color, and it seemed like it just wasn't green enough for me, so I went back in and mixed that in with that bright green color that was up on the top corner, and I really liked the combination of those two. Okay, so the eyes are done. I'm just going to add some mascara and some Koko lashes in the style Monroe, and then I'm going to do the rest of my face, and here is the finished look. So this green on the lower lash line with like the neutral eye used to be my go-to shit. I would do this all the time. But you guys can substitute this out for any color on the bottom. It's an easy way to add color to your eyeshadow. Anyway, I hope you guys like this tutorial. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.